Good morning, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you, and it is, I think this is my first beauty box of the month, and it is Lookfantastic. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty box. This has been sent to me in PR, which I'm very thankful of. All opinions are honest and my own. It is £15 a month if you just do a monthly roll on, so you can cancel anytime you're not tied in, and then you can get it cheaper if you sign up to a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, and I have a discount code for that which I'll link here or down below for you guys. But yeah, let's jump in. I've not seen any spoilers at all. Ooh, she's a pretty box. It says Rosie Connolly, I think. So it's kind of like a dusty rose colour, really pretty. Let's have a look. So it says, to our lovely beauty box subscribers, we hope this month's beauty box, in collaboration with the influencer Rosie Connolly, in order to bring you the best magazine possible this August, filled with lots of content from Rosie herself, we've made the decision to make the magazine digital only. To read it, simply scan the QR code below with your camera phone. That's clever. Where's my phone? Okay, so I've scanned it, and it's got the Lookfantastic beauty edit. I'm only scanning this now just so I can tell you guys about what is in the box. So let's have a look. So this is the box. You can see something from Living Proof. Have a look. Let's get that one first. So we've got Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat and odour. It's like a travel size sample. Let's have a look and see what it says about this. They don't put prices in the book anymore, so I will, once I edit, I'll put them on the screen afterwards for full size, and if I can find what this one is worth, I'll put that on as well. Lightweight silicone free formula provides you with added boost to your hair between washes whilst improving appearance and freshens your locks from root to tip. All-in-one spray is ideal for all colours, harnessing the brand's triple action cleaning technology to absorb oil and sweat and odour. And it says shake well, hold canister 6 to 10 inches from hair and dry hair and spray, wait 30 seconds and then gently brush through to remove residue. Looks alright. I will, I'm sure I'll be fine because my hair is like blondie, pinky, whatever. But I know sometimes people with darker colour hair, you end up with a white cast. My mum is coming around tomorrow and she's got dark hair, so I'll try this on her and see how that works. Next, I've got an AHC Natural Essential Mask, Aqua Nourishing. I love the packaging. Again, I will put on the screen if anything isn't cruelty free or is cruelty free. There's a little thing on the back here with a little thermometer, and it says for best results refrigerate the mask until the thermometer colour turns green. That's really cool, a little sticker. Where is this one? So yeah, I love the little the packaging on that. A face mask formulated by the experts inside Sol's renowned Spazz, made from naturally derived ingredients to promote hydration and a healthy glow. This mask locks in moisture without leaving your skin feeling greasy or sticky. Remove the sheet mask and position it over your skin. Relax for 10 to 20 minutes. Once removed, massage in excess serum. Store the masks in your fridge, and this will help to reduce any puffiness of the skin. I like to keep a few bits of skincare in the fridge. I keep all my rollers in the fridge, like my jade and quartz rollers. I keep all those in the fridge. Just because they're cold anyway, but like having them in the fridge, especially in the summer, is just amazing. I use one every morning. It is currently 8:13 in the morning and I use one every morning. There's nothing else on my face. I've literally got nothing on my skin, and I like to use it under my eyes in the morning just to like calm it down and make me feel less puffed. So yeah. Right, next up I've got a glove, and it is a mask remover, Effortless Beauty. Ooh, mask off. Glove are amazing. I have got a hair turban that they did, that's like a microfiber one that you use for your hair, and I love that. Let's have a look. So this is the thing, and it says a polyester fibre cloth designed specifically and effectively to remove residue from the skin surface. Its fibres don't absorb any product, making the cloth easy to clean and reuse. Wet the cloth with warm water and cover face until your skin feels flushed. Using circular motions, cleanse the skin in circular motions. Reusable and machine washable. A cloth designed to remove those stubborn clay masks that is gentle enough to the skin but has enough texture to help exfoliate too. That sounds amazing. I'm really excited to try that. I love anything that's like more eco-friendly and just reusable and not throw away. That's awesome. I will definitely give that a go, because it is, I do sometimes find, especially like they say the clay masks, when you put them on and it's just trying to get them off without, because sometimes I feel like you have to like scratch like this and then you end up damaging your skin. So that might just be me. Next up, I've got Percy and Reed Hold It Right There Strong Hairspray. I love Percy and Reed's packaging. It always has really cute little designs on it. So this is an essential for every woman's beauty drawer. Every person's beauty drawer, that should probably be. The humidity resistant Percy and Reed Hold It Right There Stronghold Hairspray is the complete tool for volumizing hair that lasts all day. Free from chemical scent, the hairspray provides extra lift to any style. Hold the can 20 centimeters away from your hair to achieve more volume. Hold your head upside down. So that's nice. See what it smells like if it doesn't smell like chemicals. See what the mist is like. It just smells like normal hairspray. It smells exactly the same as normal hairspray. I'll definitely use it if it's cruelty free. I'll use it. I don't tend to use a lot of hairspray on my hair, but I do use it on the kids when they have their little braids and stuff in, so that's nice. But it does just smell like normal hairspray. Completely the same. Next up, I've got a Hava, and it is a smoothing body lotion. Hydrating body lotion infused with superfoods, kale and turmeric to moisturize the skin and revive the senses. Its formula protects skin from premature aging while smoothing and nourishing. Massage a generous amount onto skin post shower bath. Someone says this is a game changer. I suffer from dry skin on my legs and I'm always looking to keep them hydrated. Store your masks in the fridge and the corners will help reduce any puffiness. What? It's not a mask, it's a body lotion. I think that might be on the wrong page. Excuse me, let's have a look. Let's see what this is like. There's no seal on this. I know some people like a seal. Oh, it's absorbed quickly. Oh, it smells delicious. It smells really, really nice. That smells lovely. Yeah, that's a really nice lotion that's just gone in. There's no residue on my hands. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And then the last thing, I think this is the last thing, is a Ciate, and it's a Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Long wear skin brightening blush. Where are you? This is it. It's tiny. Get a natural flush of colour with an enviable glow with this marble illuminating blusher. With a lightweight finish to make it ideal for no makeup. Swirl your favourite blush brush into the product, tap off any excess and swirl onto cheeks. Let's have a look. This is ridiculously small. I do hate it when you get, it always seems to be Ciate. They send like a bronzer, and who is it as well? The Balm do it as well. You'll get like an eyeshadow and it's like tiny, or a bronzer and you like literally can't even fit an eyeshadow brush in it. And it does really annoy me because it's like, just send a full size. I know it's money. It's beautiful, really pretty, but it is tiny, like for a blush. Let's have a look. It's a very pretty colour. I don't think I'd be able to wear that because it is very shimmery, and I feel like I'm a pink glowy, my skin is always shiny, and I feel like I might just look a little bit too much with that, but it's a really pretty colour, really pretty. I think if you've got the right look then that would look incredible on your skin, but I'm not sure that would be for me, so I might pass this on to a friend, or I might use it as eyeshadow. I I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, that was the box. I think it's a really nice box. A nice mix of products. I think the thing I'm most excited about is probably the mask. I think that looks lovely. I'm hoping this is going to be cruelty free. Again, I'll put it on the screen at some point. But yeah, I think it's a really nice box. Let me know what you lot all think about it. Have you got yours? Are you gonna carry on with it? I have had to cancel all of my beauty boxes. This one is obviously PR, which I'm very, very thankful for, but we are trying to save up to do something very fun that will change our lives. So all my money is having to be saved and that at the minute. So I have had to cancel. I had to cancel my Pip box. I've had to cancel my Birch box. I've had to cancel my glossy box that I give away. What else? My vegan kind box. I had to cancel them all just for now. Hopefully it will all change in the future. But yeah, they've all gone at the moment, so it will just be me getting my PR, which I'm so, so thankful for, from Lookfantastic. But yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I have a giveaway going for my 10,000 subscribers. I will link that somewhere as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.